Exercise 4.2. Question number 1. We have to find the root for different quadratic equation given below. First is x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. So here the coefficient is 1. So directly the product should be minus 10 and the sum should be minus 3. So which all can be the numbers. So we can understand by this only 5 and 2 are the numbers. That is suppose plus 5 and 5 and also minus 2 plus 5. So we can rearrange in this way. So minus 2 and 5 are the numbers. So x square minus 2x minus plus 5x minus 10 is equal to 0. So x I am taking out. So x minus 2 plus 5 I am taking out. X minus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 2 both I am taking common into x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x minus 2 is 0 or x plus 5 is equal to 0. So x can be 2 or x can be minus 5. Here they haven't specified any dimension, so we can write both the value 2 or x is equal to minus 5. Second problem, x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. So the product should be minus 6 and the sum should be 1. So we come to know that 3 and 2 if we take. Okay, so minus 2 into 3, that is x square plus x square minus 2x plus 3x. So this 3x minus 2x will be 1 and also 3 into minus 2 will be minus 6 is equal to 0. Taking x common, so x into x minus 2 plus 3 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 2 I am taking out into x plus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 2 will be 0, that means x is equal to 2, and x plus 3 will be 0, that means x is equal to minus 3. Next question, root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. So we have to understand 7 and 5 root 2, it will be, so 5 root 2 into root 2, that is the product should be 5 into root 2 into root 2, that is 10, and the sum should be 7. So it can be only two numbers, that is 5 and 2, 5 and 2. Just imagine 5 into 2, that is 10, and 5 plus 2, that is 7. So we can split this and write root 2x square plus, as 5 term we can write it with here, so I am writing 2 term first. So 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. I am taking root 2x out. So the balance will be x plus root 2 plus I am taking 5 out. So x plus root 2 is equal to 0. So x plus root 2 common into the balance is root 2 x plus 5 is equal to 0. So if x plus root 2 is equal to 0, x will be negative root 2, and if root 2 x plus 5 is 0, root 2 x will be minus 5 and x will be minus 5 by root 2. So these both are the solutions. Next question, 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. Understand this, 2 into 1 by 2. So product means 2 into 1 by 8. So it will be what? 1 by 4. So product should be 1 by 4 and also sum should be minus 1. So which can be the numbers? Half and half. 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. It will be 1 by 4. And minus 1 by 2 plus minus 1 by 2 will be minus 1. Okay, so here also we will get. Here also minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 is plus 1 by 4. So we can split. 2x square minus 1 by 2x minus 1 by 2x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. So here I am taking, if I am taking 2x out. So it will be x minus 1 by, what will come, as here no 2 I cannot take it out, so I am just making 2 multiplied by the denominator, minus, same way here 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 4 is equal to 0. So as I am taking common factor out, that is x minus 1 by 4 into 2x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. So if x minus 1 by 4 is 0, x will be 1 by 4. And if 2x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0, 2x will be 1 by 2 and x will be 1 by 2 divided by 2, that is again 1 by 4. So here x have same and equal roots, that is 1 by 4 comma 1 by 4. These are the roots. Next is 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here the product will be what, 100 into 1, that is 100, and sum should be minus 20. So we understand that 10 into 10 is 100, or negative 10 into negative 10 is 100, and negative 10 plus negative 10 is minus 20. So 100x square minus 10x minus 10x plus 1 is equal to 0. So I am taking 10x out. So the balance will be 10x minus 1. And here nothing we can take. So we can take minus 1 out. Minus 1 when we take out, it will be 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. So it will be 10x minus 1 into 10x minus 1 is equal to 0. That is 10x minus 1, the whole square is 0. So 10x minus 1 is 0. So implies that 10x will be 1. That is x will be 1 by 10. As square is 0, we can say that 1 by 10 comma 1 by 10. Both are the roots of the equation. Second question. Solve the problems given in example 1. In example 1, we have made 2 equations before. If you haven't watched the session, please go back and rewatch the session part 2. So you will get that. Part 1, you will get that. Part 1 and 2, I have given so many examples and exercises, so you can recheck that. So first equation example was x square minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 0. So the product should be 324 and the sum should be minus 45. Okay. So here I have taken by combining this, I got the numbers are minus 9 and minus 36 because sum is minus 45 and the product is 324. So x square minus 9x minus 36x plus 324 is equal to 0. So x if I am taking out, it will be x minus 9 minus 36 I am taking out, x minus 9 is equal to 0. So x minus 9 into x minus 36 is equal to 0. So by this we can understand that either x minus 9 is 0 or x minus 36 is 0. So x can be 9 or 36. Next question, x square minus 55x plus 750 is equal to 0. So the product should be 750 and the sum should be minus 55. By this only we can understand. Okay, 25 into 3, that is 75, 25 plus 30. So by this we can understand that 25 and 30, the product can be 750 and sum should be negative. So minus 25 and minus 30. So we can split and write as x square minus this 25 term we can write with 750 because then only it is easy for taking common factor. Okay, so minus 25x plus 750 is equal to 0. So x I am taking out, x minus 30 minus 25 I am taking out, x minus 30 is equal to 0. So it will be x minus 30 into x minus 25 is equal to 0. Therefore x can be 30 or x can be 25. These are the solution. So whenever you are rechecking back the example question which is satisfying, that you can select the correct criteria. Third question of the exercise is find two numbers whose sum should be 27 and the product should be 182. By seeing only we can understand 14 plus 13 is 27 and 14 multiplied by 13 is 182. So 14 and 13 are the So rest from the question number 4 to question number 6, 4, 5, 6, okay, we can discuss in the next video. So please do watch all the sessions till the end. For getting all the updates of the notification of the videos, please click the bell icon nearby, and if you like the session, please click the like button. Thank you everyone. Have a